see how to install our Git to our local. So first of all, you need to go into the URL that is here. I'll just put that in description. So once you're going into the URL, then you could see the download options based upon your operating system, Mac OS, Windows, and Linux. So mine is Windows, so I'm just going to click on Windows. So once I click on Windows, the latest edition starts to get downloaded for me. So here I've got it downloaded. So mine is 64-bit, so I'm not doing anything. So if yours is 32-bit, then you can go ahead and very well install the links which are given here. So now I'm just going to click on it. Let's see. So we have we just give S, giving the permission. And then once the permission is given, just go next, next. The default settings are fine, so I'm just going to give next for everything. So yeah, all the files will get extracted and you're almost going to get it done. Perfect, we are there. Yeah, we got it done. Let's just do a launch bash. Okay, this is just the introduction to all the release notice and the license. We are not bothered about it, so I'm just closing it. So here you could see your Git that is installed. So yeah, we're done. So let me meet you in the next lecture. Thank you. Bye-bye.